If your iPhone stuck at a C% while charging, you plugged it in its charger first and then suddenly stop. Is something wrong with your battery? A lot of iPhone users think this is a charging issue. It looks like the phone just refused to go past a C%, but here the truth, it is not a problem. This is actually a built-in feature called optimized battery charging. Your iPhone learns your daily charging routine, and when here it predicts you keep it plugged in for a long time, it surcharging at a certain to protect your battery. Modern iPhone use lithium batteries, keeping them at a certain for long periods creates stress. However, if your iPhone never goes past a set, there could be a problem. Exclusive hate, poor quality charger setting issues. Hate is one of the biggest reason the iPhone limits charging. Go to setting, battery health, charging, turn off optimized battery charging. Move your phone to a cooler place while charging. Use an original or certified charger. If you care about long-term battery health, it is actually better to let this feature on. Your battery will last longer our time. So if your iPod stop at a sync, don't panic. It is designed to protect your battery. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips.